Yeyeni bo, nangu umuntu efuna uzenza umseleku. Siyacela you guys wants to make himself umseleku. Ngathi ehlanyisa umuntu oyi-one, ngathi ehlanyisa umfazi oyi-one. One wife is driving uSiyacela like crazy. How is he going to handle his temper, you guys? Anyway, you guys, uSiyacela on the latest episode of Isengane Lengane, he says that he is taking a second wife. Now, you'd know this is not a new thing he's mentioned in the previous seasons. He has previously mentioned that he does want to take a first wife. But on this latest season, he's basically saying that whether Tando likes it or not, he is definitely taking Istembu. He says that before he would he was considerate of Utando's like decision whether she would agree to it or not. But he says, Usiatlele says that the second wife will come whether Utando likes it or not. And he's basically saying it's going to happen. She can cry or roll on the floor, but Oksalayo, like the second wife, is coming. He says that at first he pleaded with her, but now he doesn't have time to be pleading with her of what she thinks because he, quite frankly, is going to do whatever he wants to do. And it just makes me think, you guys, people have been wilding it out here with Istembu, guys. People have been wilding it out here with wanting to take Istembu. And I'm like, hey, I'm laughing because I think people look at Musam Selegu and how he tries so well. He's not perfect, yes, but he tries to handle Istembu psyche. And people look at it and they're like, yes, definitely we can do that. One thing I've noticed about Istembu, guys, you can't take Istembu while you usurp authority over a woman. You can't take Istembu while you have the mentality that I am the head and I'm going to do whatever I want to do. No matter what Musa says, guys, in the past seasons and for a very long time, he does consider his wife's opinion. Sometimes I actually even feel like he says certain things in public just to seem, I don't know, just to portray himself in a certain way. But behind closed doors, I truly believe he is begging those wives. I truly do think he begs his wives. And I'm just looking at Siyacela. I'm like looking at Siyacela and Tando's situation. How Siyacela is so impatient, how Siyacela believes in laying his hands upon a woman. Like, I'm just thinking how he is easily aggravated just by one woman, Utando. How is he gonna handle like having like a second woman or having like a second wife? Unless he takes a woman who's like the total opposite of Utando and the total opposite of him, who is just gonna be like a yes person who's just gonna basically agree to everything he says, then maybe in that way it might possibly work. But I'm just like, even like, why nifuna ukuhlupheka izingane zabantu so much? And even like these ladies who are just willing to put themselves in situations where you can see already the guy is not financially like okay, but you're putting you already you can see Bastiatlana and Tando they pandering for themselves. They really trying for themselves. Like Moja Love is like the show that they doing is a source of income for them, but you can tell that they're not where they want to be. And then you're telling me another woman's gonna wanna come into that situation. Siatela has not even gathered the strength to build a house for Tando. Tando is still practically living in his mother's home in his mother's home. So you're telling me that there's a woman who would want to enter like a situation like that? And funny enough, though I am asking this question, it's a rhetorical question because there is some women see guys on TV, you guys see Bosi Atlelo on TV, then they get excited by the fame, that they get excited by the fact that he's well known, they get excited. I don't know, you guys, what goes through some women's minds, honestly. Hi, angazi. But anyway, uSiyacela kushuti maybe he sees ukuthi his father had how many wives? 5 wives. So I am curious to see by if this is something that's truly gonna materialize, because we don't even really know what happened to the previous girlfriend that he had. I don't even know Wuti Pirele Pilean. I'm just like, hey, these South African boys need to slow down. They need to slow down because I guys, you guys, anyway, guys, please tell me what you guys think. Please do like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you in the next one.